Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set meditation reminders on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that you should tap on or scroll down to the reminders section and then tap on the meditation reminder section. Tap on this remind me to practice conscious breathing every day on the right side, and then you should set the time when you would like to see your reminders. After that, select AM or PM, and basically that's it. Tap on this button at the top and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.